So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back to the GRC 101 series. In the last video, we explored various security frameworks that organizations use to guide their security strategies. Today, we're shifting gears a bit to cover a critical aspect of governance, risk, and compliance, GRC, audits, assessments, and monitoring. Today, we're diving into audits, assessments, and monitoring, three interconnected pillars of effective GRC. These processes help organizations measure their security performance, identify risks, and ensure continuous improvement. Audits and assessments are essential for tracking progress and ensuring compliance with standards. They provide organizations with the tools to measure effectiveness, uncover risks, and ensure that security controls are functioning as intended. Think of it as a checkpoint for risk management. Audits are structured, independent evaluations. They review systems and processes to ensure they align with policies, standards, and regulations. Auditors look at both what is working and what isn't, helping organizations identify gaps or areas of improvement. While audits confirm compliance, assessments go a step further. They focus on identifying potential risks, security weaknesses, and opportunities for improvement in an organization's practices. Assessments are more detailed, offering deeper insights into the security posture of a system. There are two main types of audits, internal and external. Internal audits are carried out by in-house teams, while external audits are conducted by third-party firms. External audits provide independent verification of security and compliance, making them a crucial part of any robust risk management program. Risk assessments are at the heart of risk management. They evaluate the likelihood and impact of potential threats to an organization's assets. By identifying and prioritizing risks, organizations can proactively implement measures to mitigate them, reducing the chances of a security breach or operational disruption. Continuous monitoring is an ongoing process designed to detect security issues as soon as they arise. It includes tracking network traffic, system performance, and even security events. The goal is to identify vulnerabilities or breaches in real time, enabling faster responses and reducing potential damage. Monitoring can take many forms. Network monitoring tracks data flows and detects anomalies. System performance monitoring ensures that systems are functioning efficiently. And security event monitoring looks for signs of breaches or attacks. Combining these ensures comprehensive visibility into the security landscape. To maximize effectiveness, audits, assessments, and monitoring should not be isolated efforts. Instead, they must work together in a continuous feedback loop. This integration allows organizations to respond quickly to threats, refine their security strategies, and maintain an adaptive approach to risk management. And that wraps up this video on audits, assessments, and monitoring. Make sure you stay tuned for the last video in our GRC 101 series, where we will introduce you to the different career paths in this industry. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.